today party is here going on. That's why I'm here. Metropolia organized a party for staff. So from all four campus, all staff are reached here. I hope we will enjoy it a lot. And today I will meet the whole staff. So I will enjoy a lot. And we are on the entering of a hall. So I will show you how's the party going on.
My teammates that. Okay, so you will have this food on Monday, this food on Tuesday, so they were always like laughing about it. What can I say? If there is one.
Yes, Johanna. There. Yes. Vegetarian. Okay.
Some sort of wheat buns, I guess.
Uh-huh. Surely it's vegetarian.
Just to see what kind of. Coca-Cola. You want that? No, I didn't. Yes, of course. Yeah. You're welcome.
This is an art created by staff. Here are ribbons and whole staff tying the ribbon in their one way, and it's created a good art, and also it's a memory of event. It's a good thing. Bye bye. We will meet in next video.